Hey everybody, this is Chris from Smurry here, and in today's video I'm going to be talking to you guys about a new feature that we're adding into RECON LAB, optical character recognition. So optical character recognition is basically designed to extract things like text from image files, so specifically JPEGs or PDFs, things of that nature. So this feature can actually prove to be really invaluable to some cases, as you can actually index by this new extracted text. To get started, go ahead and open up a case of yours and navigate to the folder of interest. Go ahead and right-click on it, and you'll see this section right here for Run File System Modules, and this one right here for Optical Character Recognition. When selected, it'll pop up in the processing window, as you would expect, and depending on the size of the folder or the size of the image will depend on how long it'll take to process. Once it disappears from this window, you'll see this new item on the side, Optical Character Recognition, and this section right here for image files. And when selected, it'll bring up this window that has all of the processed image files as well as this new section for OCR text. You can also select specific files and see the OCR text displayed in the detailed information view right here. You can also search by OCR text by selecting the filters option and then making sure that this OCR text is checked. You'll see that if I search by the term Irish, it'll filter by all of the different image files that have the OCR text Irish in the name. Thank you guys for watching, and if you have any other questions or concerns, then feel free to reach out to someone from our team, and we'd be more than happy to help you guys out. Thanks, and remember to subscribe.